Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance. And as you can see today, we are down about $100. And to my surprise, it's actually not Tesla that is the reason that it's down, but actually Apple. Apple was up to about $137 a share, and as you can see now, it's down to $128. And since we have 10 shares, that's over $100 lost. So because of that, my portfolio is a little more down than usual, but as you can see, Tesla is trying to recover and get back to that original that former price that it had last week. It's up $17 a share today, so that's a good sign. And pretty much everything else is kept the same. So with that said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Thank you and have a blessed one.